All right, to operate the fan, make sure first of all the knob is on number 1. If you put it on 0, it will shut off the electricity to the entire fan completely. So leave it on 1. Before turning on the fan, make sure the cap is open. Once the cap is completely open, then you can turn it on. And you can adjust the speed all the way up to level 3. Once you're done, do not put it to 0. Leave it on 1, turn it off from here. Wait till the fan completely stops, and then you can close the door.